Hey guys, what's up? Tia Mori here. So with 2 kids at home, I am drowning in laundry. Who knew that kids could go through so many clothes? Wait, does my husband count as a kid? Anyway, if you're like me, you're probably wondering, how can you take a daily chore and make it more manageable? Well, guess what? I have 3 tips just for you. For some reason, my son, who is 7 years old, when he comes back home from school, I swear he's been crawling around in mud, right? So instead of letting those stains sit, which makes it harder to get out, what you wanna do is attack the stains right away. So you wanna have a stain remover like so, and you just wanna go at war with the stain. It's the stain versus you. Who's gonna win? You just wanna drench the stain, boom. Stain be gone. I tend to think that more detergent would do a better job, but that's not always the case. You're actually wasting money that way. And what's really cool about Grove is they have this auto dispenser. It's really nice, it's sleek, it's made out of glass, and what it does is it dispenses the right amount of detergent for each wash. This happens to be one of my favorite tips: ditch the dryer sheets. Yes, you heard it, I said it. Dryer sheets, they can be expensive and they're only good for just a single use. What you can do is use wool dryer balls. You can use just one single ball up to 1,000 loads. That's a lot of drying. Another cool thing about these wool dryer balls is it actually cuts the drying time in half by absorbing all of the moisture. You can find all of these products at Grove, which happens to be my favorite place to shop for home essentials. And guess what? If you spend $20 on your first order, you can get this gift set for free.